Now it's second shift's draw. Total applications are 2,956.
जिसमें RT एप्लीकेशंस है 1485, SGC सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड है 361, KVS वार्ड है 10, EWS BPL है 624 और डिसेबल्ड कैटेगरी में 4 एप्लीकेशंस हैं. So let us start the lottery of class first for shift 2. So first we are going to conduct the lottery of RT.
वो बोला था ना लास्ट में ऑल द लॉटरीज है उसमें. पेन ड्राइव प्रिंटिंग जा. ड्रिंक भी वही चाबी.
So we are going to conduct the lottery of second shift, in which the first one is of RTE. In this we have number of sections 3, number of total available seats RTE 30. So first of all, you are seeing the list of pre-lottery list which the parents has registered or applied. So we are going to first of all download the RTE pre-lottery list. This is pre-lottery list before lottery. This is pre-lottery list. These are eligible applications. Now we are going to conduct the lottery for RTE by clicking on this red button, conduct RTE lottery. This school confirms that demo of the lottery have been shown to the parents to their satisfaction. Conduct lottery, okay. So the RTE lottery has been conducted. You can see the list. So this is the download RTE lottery result. We can view here the RTE lottery result. As you can see, all these lists will be are going to be uploaded on our school website. The second category is of differently abled. In differently abled category, SC category, there are no applications. In differently abled ST, we have no applications, no parents has applied. Differently abled OBC non-creamy layer, there are some applications, some parents have applied, only 2 are there. So first of all, we download pre-lottery list, and after this we will conduct the conduct lottery. So this is the result of OBC non-creamy layer in differently abled category. Download lottery result. This is the result of differently abled OBC lottery. Now we will conduct the 5th differently abled general OBC creamy layer lottery, in which we have 2 applications. Again, we are downloading the pre-lottery list and we are going to conduct the lottery. So this is the result of lottery of differently abled OBC creamy layer. This is the result of differently abled general lottery OBC creamy layer. So now we are going to conduct the lottery of service category 1, in which we have 120 seats, 3 sections are there, and total applications are 162. So we are going to download first the pre-lottery list. Now after this we are going to conduct the lottery of service category 1. Let us see the result of this. And we are going to download the service category 1 lottery result. So this is the shift 2 results of service category 1 lottery in service category 1. Now we will start the lottery of category 2. Again, in this we have 124 applications received. Download pre-lottery list, and then we will conduct the lottery here. Service category 2. So this is the result of category 2. Lottery result of category 2, service category 2. Now we will conduct the lottery of SC category, in which we have total 795 applications received. We have, first of all, we will download the pre-lottery list before the lottery, and then we will conduct the lottery here. So we have conducted the lottery of SC category. Let us download the result. This whole system is developed by IIT Kanpur in collaboration of KVS, and all the things are computerized. So this is the result of SC category lottery result for shift 2. Now we are going to conduct the lottery of ST category. In this we have number of sections 3, seats available 9. Total applications received here are 27. First of all, we will download the pre-lottery list. This is the pre-lottery list of ST category. Now we will conduct the lottery of ST category. So this is the result of ST category. Now let us download ST lottery result. This is the result of ST category lottery of shift 2. Now we are going to conduct the lottery for OBC non-creamy layer category, in which we have 382 applications. Then we will first of all download the pre-lottery list, and we will conduct the lottery here for OBC non-creamy layer. So this is the result of OBC non-creamy layer lottery result, lottery category. All these admission lists will be uploaded on the school website shortly. Now we are going to conduct the lottery of service category 3, in which we have total 48 seats. Total applications received are 60. First of all, we download the pre-lottery list. This is the pre-lottery list. Now we will conduct the lottery here of category 3. Let us check the download lottery result of category 3. So this is the result of shift 2 service category 3 lottery. Now we will conduct the lottery of category 4, in which we have total 117 applications. First of all, we will download the pre-lottery list. This is the pre-lottery list under category 2. Let us conduct the lottery of category 4. So we will download its result, category 4. This is the result of service category 4 lottery of shift 2. Now comes to category 5, in which maximum applications are there, a total of 2483 applications. So first of all, we will download the pre-lottery list, means list before lottery, and then we will conduct the lottery. So this is the result of category 5. Let us download it. This is the result of service category 5 of shift 2. कैटेगरी 5 तक होगा, हाँ जी बस SGC रहा. Now we will going to conduct the lottery of SGC, single girl child. We have received the applications 359. First of all, we will download the pre-lottery list. This is the pre-lottery list of category single girl child. And let us conduct the lottery here of single girl child. So we have received the result. Let us download the single girl lottery result. This is the result of SGC category, single girl child of shift 2. All these lists will be displayed on our school website very shortly. So we have completed all the categories here.
So in this complete procedure for both the shifts, we have 3 sections in 2 shifts. I have not explained the admission criteria earlier because we need to be time bound. So the lists are to be downloaded first and then I am explaining it to you. We have 40 seats in one section, 40 seat per section है. 3 सेक्शन फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में है, 3 सेक्शन सेकंड शिफ्ट में है. उस 40 सीट्स में 25% कोटा आरटीई का होता है तो आपकी सभी सेक्शंस की 10 सीट्स आरटीई को जाती हैं। 30 सीट्स फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में हो गई और 30 सीट्स सेकेंड शिफ्ट में हो गई। सेम केस हमारे पास SC ST OBC तीनों की रिजर्व कैटेगरी है, तो उसमें परसेंटेज होती है उनकी 15%, 7.5% और इधर 27% OBC का। तो जितने भी हमारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जनरल कैटेगरी, फर्स्ट कैटेगरी, सेकंड कैटेगरी, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ और RTE, इन सभी में टोटल SC ST और OBC को काउंट किया जाता है। अगर जो हमारी परसेंटेज है वो कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो हमने जो अलग से लिस्ट डाउनलोड की थी उसमें से कोई कैंडिडेट नहीं लिया जाता। अगर उस सीट्स में से SC ST OBC कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाते हैं तभी वो बची हुई लिस्ट में से हम कोई कैंडिडेट लेते हैं। सिमिलरली इन द केस ऑफ जनरल कैटेगरी, जो आपकी कैटेगरी 1 की लिस्ट सबसे पहले आई उसमें से कैंडिडेट लिए जाते हैं। फिर कैटेगरी 1 में अगर पूरे नहीं हो पाते तभी 2 पर हमारी लिस्ट प्रोसीड करती है। वेबसाइट पे हम सभी लिस्ट को अपलोड करते हैं, तो पेरेंट्स ये ना समझें कि थर्ड कैटेगरी की लिस्ट निकल गई, हमारा नंबर एडमिशन में आ गया। सीक्वेंस से ही लिस्ट निकलती है। तो हमारी 40 के हिसाब से 10 सीट RTE की माइनस हो जाती हैं और 5 सीट हमारी स्पॉन्सरिंग एजेंसी कोटा की माइनस हो जाती हैं। तो बची हुई हमारे पास 25 सीट्स ही रह जाती हैं जो जनरल हैं, जो कि कैटेगरी 1, 2, 3 में जाती हैं एक सेक्शन में। इस तरह से एडमिशन होता है, यानी 25 केवल 75 सीट्स बचती हैं जिसमें हमें कैटेगरी वाइज एडमिशन करने होते हैं। और उसमें भी हमारा SC ST OBC वो भी रिजर्व कैटेगरी काउंट होता है। तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट एडमिशन। ड्रॉज हो चुके हैं, लिस्ट प्रिंट आउट निकल रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ आपके अभी साइन हार्ड कॉपी पे करा लिए जाएंगे और सॉफ्ट कॉपीज अपलोड कर दी जाएंगी। पेरेंट अपने घर में शाम तक लिस्ट देख सकते हैं। वेबसाइट में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा अपलोड होने में क्योंकि बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है, तो टिल इवनिंग दे कैन हैव द लिस्ट ऑन देयर वेबसाइट। सो दिस वाज द कंप्लीट एडमिशन प्रोसीजर। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस कब आना है, कहाँ पे आना है, कितने बजे से आना है, ये सभी हम उन लिस्ट में टाइमिंग्स और काउंटर नंबर लगा देंगे। कोविड प्रोटोकॉल का सारा ध्यान रखना है तभी आपको स्कूल में आना है। सो टाइम बाउंड रहिए। आपकी जो भी एडमिशन के टाइमिंग्स और काउंटर दिए जाते हैं उन्हीं पर आकर आपको एडमिशन इंचार्ज या टीचर इंचार्ज से मिलना। थैंक यू।